Why scripting is needed? Let's say for I am a ServiceNow developer. Okay, I have 3 years of experience. Okay, so why I need scripting to learn? If I don't learn scripting, can I able to, how is my life in ServiceNow area? Can you please answer? Anyone? Anyone know this answer by any chance? Yes, no, no.
So we will not able to develop anything.
We will not able to develop everything. Okay, good. What else?
And also we will automate the, daily jobs.
Mm-hmm.
So it helps us customization. Not everything can be done using UI policy or scripting, uh, UI actions. So
Okay.
In a single script, you can bundle multiple commands, multiple this thing, and you can run at a time
Mm-hmm.
to do the job.
Correct. What else?
if any requirement is what you call complex requirement, can be
And
easily fixed
machine,
using
if
scripting.
machine needs, so
What else?
if some things has to be triggered by machine itself and do some tasks without interventions
Mm-hmm.
on particular condition
Right.
is met, that will be triggered. For those things, we can run use.
Right. So first of all, who are we when we go to live environment as a employee? What we are going to do exactly? Who are we?
Developers.
We are ServiceNow developers.
Service no developers. Okay. What is the meaning of a developer in IT industry?
To develop or customize something in the platform.
So what is the meaning of development here?
Who
To
writes the
develop
code?
the application.
Who writes the code or script?
Hmm. The developer is who writes the code or develop something using coding. Okay, this is the purest the developer meaning. That means if developer doesn't know the coding, then will he be called as a developer? No. Simple, right? So our profile will be ServiceNow developer. Okay, and in our in our fundamental course or in our scope, we have scripting. Okay, so it's our duty to learn it and then use it. First thing, sir. If I don't learn, can I able to sustain, sir? Okay, we can able to sustain. Everyone can able to sustain, but without scripting knowledge, there is no life in ServiceNow area. Okay, if a person who is belongs to ServiceNow side, right, they may do work, non-scripting related work. After 2 years, 3 years, they will be like a burden to the team. They himself or herself will feel like burden. What I am doing. Then one day the management also will remove or just they will just keep it because they don't give any hike or salary. It's waste of them to give. Okay. So without scripting there is no developer. First thing. Okay. Why sir? They are also developers now. Recently I interviewed few people. Did I told this? No. Okay. Maybe I told to evening batch, right? So it's been five interviews I took it. Okay, 5 people, right? First three interviews are Infosys people. They are okay by their nature. They are system engineers. Infosys take them as a freshers and then logo them as system engineers, and they will train on it. Okay, and then they give project. Right? Whatever what we understood is they do kind of static job. Means get an Excel, load the Excel, create user, update user, add user, remove user. There are some set of okay things. Catalog creation, workflow creation. Even workflow creation is also very basic level. Okay, so they know only this. Okay, and when we started asking it, they don't know. They don't know. They don't know. They are loading an Excel sheet. If we ask further questions, they don't know. What they know is load the Excel. Okay, transform it. Imports a transform. Imports a transform. In transform, if we ask any deep question, they don't know the answer. Okay. If we ask something deep question, maybe what is the table that users and groups will okay have the relationship. Like if I add a user to group, where it will store, don't know, right? So they are doing it. They are so-called developers, but they don't know subject, and they will only fit to that project, that company only. They should not even try to go out of the job. They are unfit to go for another company. Understanding it, ma? What I am trying to say?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So what I am trying to say is, okay. What I am trying to say is, right? First of all, the scripting, right, is must for us. If we go as a, okay, I told initially yesterday I supposed to say something, okay, I missed to say something because of my other conversation, okay. Phase one completed, na. In US and UK, if any student are there, they can try from now. They can try as a ServiceNow support engineer or ServiceNow BA. You are free to apply from now. The phase one syllabus is more than enough, okay. But you can't go as a ServiceNow developer or implementer, okay. In India, we don't have that kind of okay situation. We have to be ServiceNow developer only. If I say I am only ServiceNow admin, I do support job, they don't even care. Okay. So people from US and UK, you can start applying jobs. Understood, my everyone? Yes. With phase one and try as a BA. BA is good. Okay. Or support ServiceNow support engineer is also good. Okay. Prepare your resumes and send me. I will review and then let you know. Okay. Fine, everyone. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. It doesn't mean like you should not continue. Okay. You have to learn this one also, but you can start it, get a job, involve in the job, get income. Okay. And then later you move further. Okay, just enter into IT. That's if that is your primary thing, then as a BA, as a support engineer, you can just start now. Okay, good. Now, why I'm saying ServiceNow developer is important is very carefully see. I will just list down the topics actually. Okay. Once we learn, once we list down the topics, then okay, I'll speak something. So better copy paste it. Okay. So these are the topics that we are going to cover for next 15 days, right? So this one not required, right? Yes, these two, right? If you see the service now, okay, these are all related to scripting. Anyone who want to learn scripting, no? These are the things we need to learn. Okay, first thing, right? And this is the heart of ServiceNow syllabus. Anything you want to do, you need to use any one of this topic. Anyone. Okay, it can be a client script, it can be server-side script, it can be something blah 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 blah. Okay. Now the so-called person who don't know scripting obviously don't know these topics. Am I right, ma? Is it correct statement? If I don't know scripting, I don't know how to operate these topics. Is that correct statement?
Yes.
Obviously, yes. Right? If if a person don't know these and all, then he can't do any customization, deep customization, right? So to configure, to develop the application logics, we need these. Okay, even notifications also. Okay, notification we don't cover in phase two, but scripting related, right? So that's why the phase two, our syllabus of phase two, our development, whatever the topics that we are going to cover in phase two, or we can say this phase two is the heart of ServiceNow, right? If you don't have heart, then you are not sustain. Okay. What we learned so far, phase one, is fundamentals. Okay, the platform, core, Anyone can learn the platform, okay? But this one is next level to do beyond things, okay? You need to be a scripter or a developer. That's where scripting will come into picture, okay? So this is the importance of scripting, okay? Even for salary size, so okay, a person who don't have scripting knowledge, a person who have strong scripting knowledge, have lot of difference. Anyone? IT employees, do you know this one? Is that correct statement, right? We will try to understand why it is, why the statement is, okay? First way is, from today, whatever you take, any topic, okay? So see here, we are here, phase 1 completed, right? So we are here, phase 2. From here, okay, throughout the end, everywhere scripting will come. You can't imagine a topic without scripting, okay? Sir, it is that full-fledged, sir. In phase 3, catalogs, workflows, there also scripting will come, sir. Yes, here also scripting will be there. Okay. In phase 4, integration, here also scripting will be there, sir. Yes, here also scripting will be there. Right? And phase 2, 100% scripting. Every topic that you touch now, that involves scripting. Okay. So, this is the scope of scripting. First thing. Right? Now we will get scared. Sir, I am from non-IT background. I never written script. Okay. And the entire thing you are showing scripting. Can I able to do, sir? Right? This is the first question that our mind will get it. Am I right, my everyone? Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
very good.
Yes,
So,
sir.
right. So see here, we are not going to be so-called, okay, full stack developers here, or a kind of developer where we will see in movies, no, tuck, 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 they will see, they will do, and then some black screens, green screen, that and all will come. No, we don't do that kind of, okay, scripting. What ServiceNow offers is, it offers a separate language for ServiceNow, okay, which we call them as APIs, right? So ServiceNow defines some predefined scripting templates, right? We are not going to be core Java developer, C developer, Python developer, okay? We will use only ServiceNow scripting templates and then we write our scripts, right? And if I want to do something in Java, I may write 15 lines of code. But in ServiceNow, if I use the respective API, no, it may be 3 lines to 4 lines. Okay. Only thing what we need to use is we need to know how to use those templates. Okay. For client side, there are few templates are there. For server side, few templates are there. What are they? Why? How we can use them for a situation? So this is what we are going to learn. And ServiceNow scripting is dead easy. It's my promise. Only thing is practice is needed. If you can able to start practicing it, start writing it, na, anyone can learn scripting. Understanding it, ma? Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So we will do it. Okay, don't scare. Okay, first of all, first don't scare. It's my responsibility to teach you in a simplest way, and everyone can write it. Only thing is you have to do a lot of practice. Okay, any development, any coding, anything, right? It will only come with practice. If you don't practice, okay, coding will not come. That is the fundamental rule. If you see 100 hours of videos, you don't learn anything in coding, but you have to write your first line of code and execute it. Then only you will get the coding. Okay. So what is my final statement here is you need to do a lot of practice to learn scripting. It is easy, but if you don't write and then practice, na, it is not easy. Understood, my everyone? Yes, understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, okay, we will see here very carefully. Okay, I will show you some examples also. What we are going to cover, sir, for entire thing for these 15 days of classes. What we are going to do first. Okay, we are not going to learn the book. Okay, take a Java book which have some 600 700 pages and then start with where, okay, database, data structure, variables, memory allocation, Okay, constant, variable, that and all we don't discuss anything here. What we will discuss is we will discuss our ServiceNow topics only. Okay, and simultaneously we also learn scripting. Okay, so I will tell you the other way is here we have two parts. The phase two, okay, of our syllabus, okay, have two parts. Part one is client-side scripting. Okay, part two is server-side scripting. Server-side scripting is again, okay, big heart. In the heart also, one more heart is there, important heart, kind of. Okay, so what is client-side scripting? What is server-side scripting? That's what we are going to learn now. Okay, first thing, right? Second thing is first to understand what is client-side scripting, and we will understand what is server-side scripting with some examples. Okay, live examples, right? So till this point, anyone have any questions? We didn't cover anything, but still any questions? Any questions till this point? Before I start taking the examples of both client side and server side.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, sir, please.
You will be using JavaScript.
Yes, we will be using JavaScript. ServiceNow API based JavaScript.
There won't be another language.
There are, but we don't need. That is our JavaScript is enough. Okay. So we may see some kind of other scriptings like CSS, HTML, okay, AngularJS, JavaScript and all in our job descriptions. But in real time we don't use them. Okay. And using
But
yes,
oh,
Sure. Then if what the interviewer asks regarding this API, HTML, other things,
your voice is breaking, sir. I can't hear you completely. What is your question? What if they ask?
what if the recruiter asks regarding these other languages?
I don't know. I never used it.
Most of the times we'll be using only JavaScript, let's say.
Yes. Yes, sir. Good. Any question, ma? Other question? Someone about to ask a question?
The same question, if they ask if it is there as it is there in the description. So,
They will ask, ma. The HR people will ask. What is the job of HR? Is someone will give something. Okay, they will copy paste it and then they will ask. Okay, do you know this? Do you know this? Do you know this? Do you know this? To satisfy HR, you can say yes. But in interviews, if they ask, they don't ask really. In interview, the technical person who knows service now, they don't ask really ask. Okay. So there are few topics. Let's say there is something called service portal. Okay. And we don't recommend to put service portal in resume. Okay. We don't even learn in service portal in our classes. Okay. But you put it. Okay. You put it like I know service portal. Okay. If you put the service portal in resume, obviously the service portal involves CSS, HTML, AngularJS, and bootstrapping. You need to speak that because you put service portal in your resume. And that time you will say you don't know. I never used CSS, HTML, bootstrapping, and AngularJS. Then obviously wrong. Understanding it, no? Yes.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay. For general ServiceNow development, okay, JavaScript is more than enough. Okay, but there are few components, okay, like page developments. These are all like CSS, HTML, okay, and AngularJS. They are all like for pages, designing the pages. Okay, for normal development, not required. Okay. So, and what we are going to learn that is more than enough for a standard developer. With this knowledge, you do everything, almost 95% of the things you can do. Understand, my everyone? Okay. So, primarily focus on what is core. Later, with this knowledge, you can learn anything. Okay. So, see here, the knowledge that we are going to gain here, okay, you will get a kind of situation where with this primary base mind, you can learn any further language also. Okay, the example is I don't know, I am from a non-scripting background. I never written a script for my 13 years of experience. Then I jumped into ServiceNow, right? So I learned JavaScript only, ServiceNow JavaScript only, not JavaScript, ServiceNow JavaScript. The Java is different, JavaScript is different, ServiceNow JavaScript is different. I learned only ServiceNow JavaScript. I know only ServiceNow JavaScript. Okay. Now I used to write it, right? Now I know a little bit. I'm not a master in ServiceNow scripting. Okay. I know a little bit, right? With this mind, I can able to do any scripting. Now, if you give me a scenario, I can do it in C also, even in Python also. Understood, ma, everyone?
Sir, ServiceNow supports C and Python also.
No, it don't support Python. It only supports ServiceNow API JavaScript, the one which we are going to learn. We don't support any other languages. Understanding it, ma? Yes. Good. So, yes. Okay. Any other last question, please? No questions. Okay. So see here. Okay, we will be having two parts of scripting. Okay, so this notes looks little ugly now because we don't know this topics. Okay, so I will make it little simple. Okay, don't see that notes. After that, we will see the notes. Okay, so first, this have two parts. Part one, part two, part two. Okay, part one comes under client side scripting. Client side. Okay, part two comes under server side scripting. Okay, so client side and server side, two environments we have it. First of all, what ServiceNow model it is? ServiceNow works. ServiceNow architecture is which model? What is ServiceNow architecture, ma? How ServiceNow is built?
Multi-tier.
Okay, ServiceNow built to work as client server model. Is that correct statement, everyone? Yes, ServiceNow works as a client server model. What is the client server model, ma? What is the meaning of client server model?
It works on client side and server side both.
Very good. What is client server model?
Clients access the server to do their task.
Okay, what is client server model is very carefully see here. Okay, let's say you have a mobile device. Very carefully see. You all know this mobile device concept. Now you have a mobile and you are using, okay, maybe Instagram. If I give this kind of examples, now you will understand easily. Okay, Instagram. Okay, so Instagram, you just open it, then you get all the nonsense of the world, and then you use one finger to scroll. Tuck, 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 tuck. Easy, easy job. Hours and hours we can spend there, right? Okay, let's say I played one video, simple video, dance video. Video I played. Now, if we see the video, right, where this video is available. Okay, the other way, in a technical way, our way, where this video stored.
Server.
Server. Very good. Now, which server? Where is the server?
And database.
Database, server, both are okay, related. Yes, server. It is in database, which is storing in a server. But where is this server? Where it is located?
Cloud. Meta.
It's a physical server located in the server room somewhere.
Okay. So the Instagram company or a Facebook company, whatever the company name is, they have server. Okay. If anyone, okay, uploads, if I am a dancer, I am a singer, I am a musician, I will do a video and then I will post it in Instagram. I am a ServiceNow developer. I also posted. Okay. No one will see, obviously, right? No entertainment, right? The video will go and store in Instagram server. Okay. And it will be published to all the people. Okay. Now, from your mobile, you are just watching that video. So, is that video available in your mobile data or mobile space or Instagram server? This is the first question. It is available in
Insta server.
Instagram server.
Instagram server.
Okay. And using your front end application called Instagram in your mobile, you are accessing that video. Am I correct? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the same concept we learned it. Okay. Even ServiceNow also, whatever you are seeing here, whatever you are doing here, okay. What is this? This is the front end. You're using one web-based application as a front end. But when I see, let's say this one, right? Now I'm seeing the data of incidents. Now where is this data located? Where is this located?
Distributed in the PDA and the server.
Where it is located, everyone?
Database.
In the
ServiceNow server.
ServiceNow server.
It is located in ServiceNow server. Okay. Now, when it is located in ServiceNow server, we are accessing that data using a simple browser page, which we are calling as instance. Correct? So now what is client here? What is server here? Server is the data where it is storing in ServiceNow servers. The data which is there in ServiceNow servers is server. Okay. The page that the so-called page that you are using is client. Okay. In Instagram example or a Facebook example, the mobile application is your client. Correct? Everyone, yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'm providing you the videos, right? You are accessing it. Few people can directly open and then watch it. Few people can download it. But before you download into your local drive, okay, the drive location is virtual, right? G, G drive is there, na? G drive application. You open G drive application in your mobile. That it is a client, and I am storing this data in Google server. Whenever I upload a video in drive, okay, it goes to what? Where it will goes? It will goes to G drive, correct? Google drive, G drive only, na? Correct. Okay, G drive, right? So this one will go in Google server, correct? From Google server, which the file is available. Now you are accessing it and then you are viewing it. Correct, Nama, everyone? Understanding it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So client means for us it's just a page. The page that you are seeing or the interface that you are okay using is client, right? The actual data where it stores is server. Okay, almost 90% of the IT based applications will follow this method only. You stores the data in servers and then you will be having so many applications. It can be mobile application, it can be web based application, it can be desktop based applications. Okay, which gets the data from server and then loads and then show it in the front end interface, right? So this is client server model, right? So now I have two interfaces. One is client, one is server. Okay, for me, client means okay, very carefully see. We covered something called views first today. When I said views, two views I said palm view, list view. Is that correct, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So there is one thing called palm view. There is another thing called list view, right? So now this is list view, and if I open a new form or existing record creation, existing record, that is palm. So I'm seeing the record in the palm. This is palm view. Okay. This is list view, right? If I see in the palm view or if I see in the list view, but still I am in the client. This is one. This is client for me, correct? Even this is client for me. Am I right, ma? You all
Yes,
agree?
sir.
You all agree? The both are clients for me, correct?
Yes.
The interface level only you see, sir. You are seeing the data here, no? The data is coming from server and showing here, but still you are seeing in this client only, correct? This is a page. This is a page, right? Now, if you write any script, sorry, if you write any script, very carefully see, okay, there is something called when, where, okay, it's where actually here. If you write a script and if the script runs on client, okay, that comes under client script. Completely 100% I didn't understand, sir. Okay, let's see the examples very carefully. See, I will open one RNG. Okay, I think this is the one which we created for your batch, correct? So, okay, first example. Okay, I'm submitting it. Now I got this behavior. Very carefully understand the behavior. Okay. Very good. Okay. Both are going. Just see the red color one. Okay. I got the behavior. What the behavior is telling me is, okay, when the user is trying to submit a form, there is one external behavior, maybe a script, okay, that is checking if any field is there mandatory and the mandatory field doesn't have a value, stop it and then give a message and print the field label here. Is there a script is running and then checking and then giving this message and stopping me to submission? Is there a script?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. First example. Everyone got this example?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now, second example. Very carefully see. This is one of the very important example. Let me see whether I have it or not. I am see. I have an employee here. Employee name and email ID, first name, last name, managed is there. Okay. So now, right now this guy is there, but I will change this to some other person. Okay. So maybe I will change to dual. Okay. I didn't build it up. Very good. Give me 1 second. It's there, but I disabled it, I think. Oh, very good. Okay, got it. So it works in a different way. Hmm. Don't see this way. Okay, don't. Okay, I'll write it here. Okay. Hmm. Do you see something happened here? Whenever, let's say this field is not there. Okay, employee name is not there. Okay, I will show you in a different way. Don't confuse. Right. So people will come and then write the email ID in the email ID field, or they will select a person. Okay. Right. So they will come and write the email ID like this, proper email ID. When they write it now, this person's first name, last name, manager should come automatically. Is that came?
Yes,
Man,
sir.
manager didn't come because this guy doesn't have a manager. Let's map a manager. Now test it properly. Okay. So I'm just giving a email ID automatically. Okay. The remaining fields are getting the value and fetching it. Did you notice it, ma? Even phone number is not available. Actually, phone number field is also coming. Okay. Good. Did you see? Whenever I'm changing the value of something, okay, we are getting the respective values and auto-populating here. Did everyone noticed it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Second example, right? Now third example, right? I'll go to one form that is change request form. Okay. In the change request form, okay, I'll give the background of change in few minutes. Okay. There is something called schedule. Okay. By the way, let's discuss it because if you discuss about it, then only you will understand this one. What is change? What is change? What is change request? Anyone know what is change request?
Modify or replace any existing product or service.
Modify or exist, modify or okay, add or modify any product. Okay, good. Other definitions?
Is there any changing in production that time we have raised to change requests?
Is there any change in the production? That time we raise a change. Okay, good. Any other people? Any other examples?
The form
Change,
which is developed to change something.
Any change that impact the business
Any change that
is
happens to
controlled.
any change that happens to the business will be okay.
change request is one of the part of ITSM.
So whenever the IT wants to update or uh, make changes in their application, they will raise a change request and it will go to CAP advisory board. Once it is approved, it will go.
Good. Okay, so see here, let me put it in a different way. Okay, all are right answers only. Okay, so see here, right? I'll have some examples. Okay, first example is, okay, move the update sets of XYZ story to production first. Second one, okay, update, upgrade, or okay, upgrade the server, okay, from 9.0 to 10.0. There is a server, okay, server name is SKFacts BLR 005. Okay, we need to upgrade the version of the server from 9.0 to 10.0. Okay, now third one is, okay, migrate all migrate all the existing systems from Adobe 9 Adobe 10 point Adobe, okay, 11.0 to 13.0, means product upgrade. Okay, now if you see these three examples, okay, for these are like these three are three different types of activities and that we need to do in production. Okay, first first question, first point. Everyone got that sense? Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Hmm. Now, when we are, if we want to do this one, okay, we need to register them in the form of a ticket. Sir, story. So for moving an up, first of all, let's talk about our example only. Don't see server grid and all. We don't understand it. Let's understand our example. Okay. So someone created a task. Okay. Okay, sir. I want a new, okay, field on the incident table. So see here, we are writing the, okay, someone created a task and the task is for new field creation on incident page. It came to us. It came to ServiceNow queue. Very good. What you do, you create a story and then do SDLC process and then do development, testing, UAT, everything. And you will create update sets to do all of them. Correct? So to run development, SDLC process, you create a story. Correct? These two we are aware of. Everyone, yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, to move these changes to production, here I am saying we need a change ticket, okay, to move to production. Third one. Sir, you already have a story now. Why you need again a ticket, sir? Everything is a ticket. Task is a ticket. Story is a ticket. And change is also a ticket. But why again separately I need it, sir? Story is already there, no? Correct? Is my question is correct, ma? We already have a story. The story is to develop something. Why again I need to create a ticket to move these changes to production? Is that really needed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Story, the definition of story is to do a development. Okay. So the definition of story is to do development and requirement gathering, develop, testing, document, UAT. That's it. To make the things ready to production. Okay, STLC, right? Now, there is a standard process in any organization called change management. Anything that you do, anything, it can be a small change, it can be a very big change, whatever it is. Okay, it needs to be registered in the form of a ticket. Anything. Okay, just patch update to a server. Okay, that is again change. ServiceNow platform upgrade, change. Infrastructure change. Anything, right? Anything that changes the behavior of production environment needs to be registered via a change ticket. Understood now? Yes? Everyone understood this one? Yes. Okay. So now, with for these three examples, we need three changes to be created. Okay. So let's discuss one thing. Okay. Let's start. Okay. So category, maybe I'll say applications. Okay. Then service service under I don't want. Okay. This is okay. Let's say moderate. Okay. Risk nothing. Okay. Impact nothing. Same. These fields you see. Okay. Kind of instant management fields only, but little different. Okay. Planning. Why you need it? Why this one is needed? Okay. So if you don't upgrade your server, then what is happens? Okay. The respect to latest things will not apply. So people will attack. There is one word called vulnerability. Vulnerability something. Okay. So
Vulnerabilities.
vulnerability. Same. Okay. So we need to keep on upgrade our servers and all, even desktops, laptops also. If not, then attackers will attack it. Okay, security wise, right? So I will say justification why. Okay, the respect to let's say it's a Oracle server. Oracle people release 10.0. We need to upgrade it. That is the justification. Okay, if it is ServiceNow story, what is the justification? Okay, they need a field for business purpose to calculate the something SLS, SLS. So they need this field. That is the justification. Actually, justification is nothing but requirement. We will write it here. Implementation plan. What you do implementation plan? What you exactly do to do implementation? Okay. If it is server one, go to the server and upgrade it. If it is story, what you do? Move the update sets to production. Okay. And we list down all the update set. Update set number one, update set number two, update set number three. Is this the implementation plan? Is that correct? Yes.
Yes.
Hmm. Then risk and impact analysis. Is there any risk if we move an update set? Okay. That we need to say. Impact analysis means it. See here. Okay. We don't expect risk, but if risk comes, if in order to not cause a risk, what you did? We need to mention, given a justification like this is tested in dev environment, test environment, and these many testers are tested, even customer tested. Okay, and it is safe to go. That you need to write it here. Understand, ma? Yes. So backout plan. If this one move to production, and because of this something goes wrong, then what you do? You need to back out it. Okay. If this one is there, so server 10.0, you move to server 10.0. Okay, immediately something big thing happened. What is the immediate resolution? Downgrade to 9.0. This is the first one. Correct? If time passes, then you can't do. So immediate thing is 9.0. Okay. So you moved all upgrade systems, Adobe systems, Acrobat system, Adobe Reader systems. Okay, there are some thousand systems are there which are running with Adobe Reader. Okay, Reader 11.0. Now you migrated to 13.0. After 13.0 migration, the Adobe Reader is not working at all. Even though you did UAT, QAT and all, people not tested properly or something. Once it is in live environment, 13.0 is not working. Then what you do? Roll back to 11.0 or apply the fix. Apply the fix, we don't know. We are not Adobe developers, correct? Then we need to raise a case to them. They will publish one thing and then we need to again push it, right? So backout plan is like reversing plan. Test plan. What are the things you tested? Okay. And if it goes to production, what are the things you need to verify in production environment to make sure that it is tested, it is published properly. So go and check the version. Okay. Go and check the field name. Go and check the version of Adobe Reader. Enough, right? So this indicates the justification of what you are going to do with this change. You all got that kind of sense, ma? Yes. Now are we understanding what is a change request? Yes. Everyone, yes. Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now come to this point. Okay. Schedule, right? When this one will be moved means implemented in production environment, right? So our service now changes, we will normally put it in second Friday. Okay, we will be having 2 weeks of windows. So okay, so let's say right now today we have a release. Let's say we have a release today. So whatever the stories that we worked for last 2 weeks, we will move to production today. Then next release in 23rd. So Friday evening 5 o'clock we will do. Okay, if it is service now, this is what we do. We don't connect for weekends and then do. Server patching, normally they do it on weekends, even light kind of deployments also. Okay, so they will have some specific time. So they will mention the time here. Okay, so Friday, 5 o'clock means 17, we will start. Okay, we will keep a window. It's not exactly like you need to follow the stopwatch and then stop. Okay, and start. Nothing like that. You just take this one and then you keep this one as a window, 2 hours or 1 hour window, and then you try to start and then stop in between. This is what the expectation. Planned start date. It's not actual, right? These two fields are there now here. You see them, right? Starting, ending. Very nice. But what if I do something very carefully? See, now all the discussion is for this one only. I select one where it is something like this. What I did here, the end date time I selected the previous of start date, which is lesser than start date. Logically, is that correct?
Yes.
No.
No. Okay, it's
No.
not correct. No. Why it's not correct is because start end time should be always greater than start time. Correct? You can't start evening today and then end yesterday. Okay, do we have time machine to do? No.
No.
Okay, no, we can't go back to past, correct? So this logic, if you see, no, okay, when I selected a small number here than this one, some script is checking, some script is running and checking, okay, take value A, value B. If A, okay, if B less than A, give a message. One script is running here. Everyone noticed one script is running?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is also another example for client script. Okay. So it's just a message, sir. Here I just seen a message, but I don't care the messages. I will just go and try to submit it. Do I have any mandatory fields here? Hmm. So I don't care, but I will just go and then try to submit it. Okay. The same kind of script again here it is running and then giving the same kind of message. Just to check the placements here, immediately changed the value here, submitting the form. But script is running. Do you all noticed it?
Yes.
Everyone? Yes, ma. Right.
Yes.
So if we see these three examples now, okay, date validations, auto population, okay, and mandatory check, whatever it is. These are all client-side scripting examples. By the way, why we said client-side scripting examples is where they are running. Answer this question. Where?
They are running on farm level.
Okay, they are running on farm level. Means farm means client. They are running on client. That's why they are called as client scripts. Understood, my everyone? Till this point, everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So what are the examples we covered? Okay. So first example is auto population of the field. Okay. And then date validation. Okay. And mandatory check something. Correct. So till this point clear, client side scripting examples and where exactly it is running and why we consider them as client side scripting. Everyone understood man till this
Yes, sir.
point? Yes. Now the next one, server side scripting. Okay, we will see one example for it. Right? It looks little ugly. Okay, initially it gives you some confusion also, but understand it. Okay, then I will explain you why it is called a server side scripting. Okay, so I have one requirement here. What is my requirement is I'll just get that requirement. Okay, in incident table. Okay, in incident data. Okay, whatever. Okay. So let's get the description field. Description. Okay. So just try to see if any tab, any record have empty description. 8 records are there. Okay. So these incidents are having empty description, no description value. Everyone noticed it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now there is a platform level policy came. Okay, what is that policy is? Okay, there should be no incident without description. Okay, it came, right? So what we can do is, see here I'm writing the requirement. Okay, very carefully see, understand the requirement, and then being a developer, you just suggest me what I need to do. Okay, uh, no incident should be, okay, should have empty description. Is this my English correct? Yes,
Yes, sir.
right? If you have this kind of requirement, if I give this requirement, okay, I'm a platform head kind of, I given this requirement. First of all, what you do as a developer, just tell me.
Mhm.
Mandatory.
So,
So we go to incident table, okay, and then description field, mandatory check you do,
Yes.
okay, simple. We are developers, we know this one, correct? Okay, this one we all do. So if we do this one, what happens is, going forward from that day, if you create any new incident, it makes the mandatory. It forces the users to write it. But what happened to the existing data? So there are 8 records already created and already available with null description, means empty description. What about to this one? Will your development work fix this particular existing issue?
no.
Everyone understood? Yes? You got this point, ma? So you need to do something else for the existing data here. Okay. For upcoming data, your development, whatever you do, this is enough. Okay. If you implement it going forward, you have a rule so that no incident can be created without description. You made it. But existing data, how we will do? Correct? Now, okay, we need to design it. Okay. Our platform team will sit and then design. Okay. There are these many incidents are there. What we are going to do with them? Okay. So, okay, if you find, okay, any, copy the short description value to description field. So we decided this one. Okay, so let's say whatever happened is happened. Now only the policy came to us. So what we can do here is, if we find any incident like that, we copy the short description and then we paste it in description. Okay, so this is what we will do. Understood, my everyone? The requirement we understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if we give this requirement, what is our approach? Okay, our approach is very simple. Open 1,000 records, copy one by one, paste it here. Say yes. Copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. Nice job. Is that correct? So I copied this one, I pasted this one, saved. So if I have 10,000 records like this, or 1,000 records
It
like
will
this,
take a lot of time.
Answer is correct, but way is wrong.
okay, way is right only. Now I'm doing it. No, why way is wrong?
No, wrong. It is
We can
time.
use it by server-side scripting.
Okay, so
It would not be efficient.
it's not efficient. That is the
Manual work.
okay. It is not efficient. That is the right word. It's not wrong. We can't say it is wrong. It is right, 100% right.
It's time consuming. So if you
It's
can write a
difficult for us.
So what I will do is here very carefully see. Okay, I will implement one logic. Okay, so I will go to one server-side scripting topic. So there is something for me which you can assist me is, okay, this one. This is one server-side scripting topic. Okay, I'll go here. Okay, don't see any script. Okay, don't see anything. Only see the output of it. Okay, you see output today. Okay, we will be learning everything. Okay, and don't ask any questions here also. It means in the scripting part, because if I start telling, first time learners will get lot of scare. Okay, so I written some script. If I execute this one, okay, so the short description value will be copied to description for all the incidents. I will run it now. Okay, before I run it now, I will do what is, okay. I want to test it, right? So I'm running it. Okay, so what I will do is I will just say what incident is updated. Now I'll just print it here. Okay, so run it. Correct. Okay, these are done. So now this is the one. Okay, so see here, I ran some script and the work is already done. Okay, now I am opening a form to test it. I'm testing it. I'm not doing any modification or anything here. I'm just opening this list view to test it. It is not client side, remember it. Okay, now this is before refresh. If I refresh it, I will see maybe one. This is not updated, so I will see one. Okay, so now you see all the records are updated with description, short description. You say yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone? You all say yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Sir, no, sir. I didn't see, sir. I am confusing here. Okay, they are updated. Okay, because they are updated, you see they are not listed here. If they are not updated, then you still see them here because empty. Okay, now see this way. Okay, so go to updated. Okay,
So why that one record didn't got updated?
yes, ma, correct. Okay, I will show you more. Right. So see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these 5 records are these 5 records are these 6 records. Even 7, 8. How many, ma? 7 only. These 7 records are updated. Okay, the same short description value copied into description. Good. Sir, why one record is not updated, sir? Just tell me why.
It doesn't
It
have
doesn't
any
have a
short.
short.
I'm copying short description value. For this one, short description is also not there. Then what value it will copy? Null value only it will copy.
Null.
Null value.
So by obviously you get null here, so nothing happened. So very carefully see, this is an example of a server-side scripting, na? So where this ran, the question again, okay? Where this ran, where it is executed, where you see the results.
Server side.
The results are directly happened in the database server. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes?
The scope is selected as global.
No, no, no. No scope, nothing. Okay. Just to see where the results are happened. The results are happened to the data directly, incident data directly. Correct? Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is server-side scripting. Understood, my everyone? So this is one simple example. Everyone understood simple example? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So let's take one simple other example. Okay. I'll end it up here. Okay. So I have one incident, right? So let's say, okay, this incident is having, okay, maybe multiple child incidents. When I say child incidents means we will have some definition saying if the same type of issues comes, then we will add all of them, all related incidents under one parent instance. So let's say these three are belongs to same issue that they only created, and we are still getting so many incidents with the same issue. So to manage them, okay, in a simple way, now what we do is we will add them into under this incident. We will take first one as parent and then add all the remaining upcoming things under child, so that for us it is easy. So if I can close them now, I can close all in one. If I update it, I can update all in one. If not, I need to open everything and then do, right? So parent incident, child incident concept is there. Okay. Now let's say I written something here. Okay. So investigation going on. Okay. Checking with vendor to get the fixes. So I written like this now, right? If I write like this and then save, The expectation is I should go and update every incident. Am I right? The same comment needs to be written for this, and all. Is that correct, ma?
Correct.
Correct. So do we expect this one to do like this? We need to go to every incident. Let's say the incident is attached with 50 incidents. So you will open and then attach for everything one by one like this. No. Okay. So what you expect is when you add something like this, automatically this one will very good. This one will go and update to the child instance also. If when the parent incident is updated with some work notes, get this work notes very carefully. See, get this work notes and then go and apply to all the childs also. Let's see whether it applies to this one. Is that up? See here. Do you see something here which is automatically done, or did I written it?
Yes.
Okay. So now everyone till this point you understood what happened? I updated in the parent incident. Automatically the same comment is updated in the child incident. Everyone noticed this one, ma?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Everyone. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, okay. To here one concept. What is that concept? Is business rule concept. The second topic. Okay. What happened is there is a script that will run whenever the parent incident is updated. Take that and then update all the childs. So one script is running here. Server side scripting. The script will identify all these incidents and then update it like this. It is directly happening in database. We are not going and opening each incident and then writing it. Understood this example, ma, everyone? Yes.
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 Sir.
So, okay, we don't need to see any code today. Okay, coding we will write. Okay, every code we will learn it, and this is the easiest code. Don't worry. Now it is too tough. You don't even understand. Okay, but when time comes, it is the deadest, easiest one. Okay. So now the point is, if you write something to work on client side, that is client side scripting, where it is executing client side. Okay, where it is executing indirectly database server side. So these are two types of scripting we have. Now under that, what we learn is, so here to write the server side scripting, now I used something like glide record. Do you see everyone glide record? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we will learn here glide record. So to write any server side scripting, now we need to learn glide record. That is the API. Okay. Similarly, we have two things here in client side. Okay, glide form. We call it as G form. Okay. We also have something called G user, glide user. So we will learn this one. So tomorrow we will learn client script example, client script types. We have topical client script and types. That is actually social session, no script. And then later we will see glide form and then glide user. Later we go to server side scripting. Then we will write glide record. We will learn glide record and we also learn all of them. Okay. This is
You
our
said something. You said,
um,
sorry, you said API. Are you going to let us know what API means tomorrow?
not tomorrow, but this is glide record is an API here. Okay.
What is API?
We will learn it tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. Everyone understood the introduction of client scripting ma here. Now we understood what is the scripting scope. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Today we see two things. Okay. Two are very important. First thing is, okay, it's a non-scripting class. Completely, I don't touch any script. Even if I touch a script also, it is a simple script. Okay. So first we will see client script types. First thing. Okay. And second thing is we will see servers. Okay. We will see the G form. Okay. So G form we will see based on the time, but we have to start that also. In the G form, we will start writing the actual script. Okay. So this is theory, completely theory. This is more scripting, practical. Okay. So we will try to cover both. This is we just a start. Okay. We don't be covering entire G form in half an hour. Okay. It will take 2 days, right? So we'll start it. First, client side scripting works on client side, right? So how can I write a client-side scripting? Okay, and what are the things I can do? Let's discuss it. Okay, what I will do is, right, we will just discuss now. So I'll take a duplicate. Okay, when you practice now, try to open the same kind of pages. Very, very important for first-time learners. If you already know the navigations, then fine. If not, then like this only you do, please. Okay, so here, right, I've opened one duplicate page, same page only. Okay, what I will do is, right, go here, configure client scripts, right. This way you can go, or you can go here. Okay, client scripts. Okay, but the problem with this navigation is when you go here like this navigation navigator and then say new and then client script. Okay, you need to give the table name, right? But if you go from here, okay, automatically you don't need to give the table name, it will come automatically. So generally our developers will use the second one. This one we will use. Okay, so what we do now? Okay, so we do a first creation of change, first creation of first client script creation. Okay, good, right? So let's create a new one. Say new. Okay, say G form testing or something, or client scripts, right? Right. So what I will do is, okay, very carefully see. I'll just put one thing, okay, on change anything. I have four, I will keep one, okay, or else I will keep one, okay, on load I will keep it, okay. So something came here, okay. So I will put one line, first line, okay. Any developer who starts the development now, he will write first line is hello world. You know that? Everyone know that?
No.
Hello world. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
By
any
default.
if I'm writing my first script in my life, okay. So it starts normally who what content they will start is they start with one message hello world. Okay. So the same hello world I am writing because this is my first script in my life. Okay. Plus I will also add something hello world. Okay. Welcome to scripting. Okay. Batch number B35. Okay. Welcome to scripting. One simple message I will keep it. Okay. Everyone. Okay. What this alert sir, what this one will do sir, we will just see. Okay. So I open one client script. Okay, and then I selected what I don't know what I selected here. Okay, I selected the one option here. I didn't touch anything, but here it asked me to write some script. I written my first script, hello world B35 welcome to scripting. I written this one. Okay, even I don't know why I given the double quotes, why I given the syntax and all. Okay, so save it. Right, so now in this table there is one script defined. Okay, how that script works is go to the form, any form of this table. So see this one, this table, any form of this table, right? Now refresh it. Is the script running?
Yes.
Everyone, you see the script running?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So now, okay, you write one script on the table. Okay, you select some type, then you write some script. Automatically, the script will run. Imagine now, okay. Yesterday we seen three examples: auto population, one example. Okay, date validation, second example; mandatory validation, third example. So like that, three different client scripts were created, and three lines, like three maybe they kept some different types here. They written something like this, but there were some three client scripts were available, and then they are running to do that behavior. You are getting that sense? Yes, ma. You all got that sense? Everyone, you got that sense? Please acknowledge.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So,
Yes, sir.
okay, this is how we create a client script. What script we write that we will learn later, but how they works, this is how they works. Okay. Here we just didn't write anything, just an alert. Okay, that alert is coming. Okay. Now, second observation is script is running, but alert is coming now. Why the alert is coming when you are loading the form? Now, every time when I am loading a new record form or existing record form, the first loading time the alert is coming. Why it is coming here? Okay, is because the type of client script is on load. Understood, my everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so this is what we are going to learn now. Okay, so what is a client script? Client script is a script that runs on a client, means in the form. Same straightforward dialog. Then what are the types of client scripts? There are four types of client scripts. Okay, on load, on change, okay, on submit. By the way, I should not write like this. Okay, please give me 1 second. I will tell you why I should not write like this. On change, on load, on submit, on cell edit. Correct? So on change. Right now, the one which I written here is on load. This one. Correct? So what are the types of client script? There are four types of client scripts. Okay. So we will discuss the types now. This is the main important topic of today. First part of today topic. Okay. Now the types indicates when the client script is running. Correct? Now on load client script will run when the form gets loaded. Can I say like this? Everyone? Yes, my can I say like this? Everyone? Agree?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So now let's discuss about remaining things. Okay. On load we discussed now. So see, when I'm changing it, very carefully observe it. This is very important point for first time learners. Okay. When I'm changing it, okay, very you need to careful. Okay, I changed it. On change, I changed it. Okay. Then I will tell you what is on change. Okay. Here nothing changed. Right. When I go for onload, okay, when I created onload, I see this one changed onload. Okay, so how it should be, it is for others is cut it and then remove it. Whenever you are changing the type, okay, the first two lines should indicate the same function type. Okay, so now I'm changing it onload, on submit, or on change, on cell edit. Sorry, on cell edit, on cell edit. Okay, so I should get this first line and then the structure. That is very, very important. Okay. If you write something here, then if you change it, it don't come. Okay. What you need to do is that time you need to select all, delete, then change. Understood, my everyone? Yes, everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, just a question. Can we do it for multiple things like for on submit also, or for on load also,
Multiple things
for
means
the
what?
same table?
Means multiple creation of cat client script. Huh?
Yes, on submit, on load,
We need to create.
on
We
change.
can create it.
Uh, so that
We
okay,
can
we
create.
can't do in. Okay,
We can't do in one client script. We have to do multiple. Yes.
okay, sir.
Now we seen on load client script when it is working, correct? So let's go to the next one. Okay. I selected on submit. I got this on submit. So here also I will put the same alert. Okay. Hello all B35. Welcome to. Okay. Now I will put one thing like submission time. Right. Now you see how it works. Okay. On submit client script how it works. Right. You go here. So submit it, save, submit, update, both are referring the submission. Now the script is running when it is running, when the script is running
When we are submitting.
On submission.
on submission time. Okay, so timing number 2, submission time. Okay, loading time, submission time means save or submit or update. Okay, then third one on change client script. Okay, so you go here. Okay, you remove this one, right, and then you go for on change, right, on change of a field, right. Yesterday I showed one example. When I changed this email value, automatically all the values are auto populating.
Yes.
Correct. So
Yes.
yeah, I have one field here, let's say, okay, cancelled. Okay, so if state equal to cancelled, make this field mandatory or write something here. Okay, if short description contains, very carefully see, if short description contains, okay, issue, okay, this is orange, but if short description contains issue with application, okay, snag it. Let's say I written like this, and you need to build a logic like, if when you are submitting it or when you are changing this field, if the short description contains a value that contains application, then assign this ticket to software group automatically. We do this, okay, we do this scenario when we were jump into glide form. Okay, so if this is my requirement now, I need to read this one and then get this one and then say this one, set this one. Okay, on change of which field here, whenever the field value is getting changed, when which field is getting changed here, on change of short description, right. So short description field changes, that time I am running one script to do something else. So here on change of field type, field name, okay, maybe I will take short description, right. Now see here, I changed it now on change of short description field. Now we will observe how it works. Okay, so submission time, changing time, right. Now you see how it works. Okay, you load the form, right. Now I'm here now, so I changed the value. Okay, click. Is the script running?
Yes.
Yes.
On change client script is running ma? So I will change the other field. Will it run?
No.
No, it will not run for other field. Okay, now I change this one again. The on change client script is running.
Yes, sir.
So how many times you change the field value? Okay, the client script will run. See here, I'm changing every time this client script is running. Okay, so the indication is I'm changing it, but I need to, okay, just press outside. If I'm here only, so I changed it. Okay, I written 7 here. I'm still here. It is not a change. Okay, once it is, when it is considered as changes, you need to creep outside. Now it's changed. Understanding it ma? On change client script, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So 3 timings we seen it. Okay. In the form, okay, we seen when you are loading the form. Okay, that is on load client script. Okay. When you are changing a particular field, then client script runs. That is on change client script. When you are submitting it, okay, when you are saving or updating or submitting it, that time one script needs to be run. That is on submit client script. So 3 client script types we touched it. Everyone till this point clear ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Everyone clear?
Yes.
So yesterday we touched the examples, correct? So see here, the 3 examples or 4 examples we written for client script. Where we written ma? Did we written those scripts by any chance? Auto population script. What type of client script type it is?
Change.
On change. Date validation. What type of client
Unchange.
script? On change. Okay. Date validation on change is there, plus on submit was also there. You remember I also submitted and then showed the same behavior. Correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Correct.
So mandatory check. What kind of type it is?
On load.
On load. Okay.
Right.
It's on submit. Correct? Mandatory was happening when you are saving or submitting or updating the form. That time, if mandatory any field is not having the value, then you throw an error. Correct?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So it's on submit, right? Now, sir, in the form, oh, okay, please keep it on mute. In the form, you have three, right? But we also have one more, okay, on cell edit, right? When it works, so see here, take this one, cut it, right? Then delete it, and then go for on cell edit, okay? And then write here, wherever it asks you to write here, you need to write here. Don't touch the other syntax, okay? We don't know what is that, and we don't even touch it. Okay, so go here. What type of field it is, ma? Short
Description.
description. Okay, remember that field. Okay, on cell edit is also same like on change only. Change of field. Okay, so you went here. Okay, now to test on cell edit. On cell edit works on list view. Okay, this is list view. Now pick any record and change. Try to change the short description. Okay, I'm changing the short description value. I changed it. Is my script running on cell edit?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone noticed it, ma? When on cell edit client script is running?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So good, right? So that's it. There are four types of client scripts. Okay. On load client script, on change client script, on submit client script, on cell edit client script. Okay. The type of client script indicates the timing of when the script is running. Okay. On load client, on change client script will run when the field value changes. Okay. On load client script will run when the form get loaded. On submit client script will run when the form getting submitted. Okay. On cell edit client script will run when the field value changes on, okay, list view. List view is very important here. If it is not list view, then this is on change client script only. Am I right, ma? Everyone, yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, now, okay, just a simple observation. Okay. On change client script, change of a field. Okay. But why they given like on cell edit, sir? Here, the on field edit they can give, no? They want to give some other name, indicates something else. But why they used something called cell? They can use field, no? In even it is a list view, we call this one as a field only, correct? Am I right, ma? Why they pronounce it as cell? Okay, what might be the reason? Even I don't know the reason. Okay, I'm just guessing it. What might be the reason is this. Okay, what is the meaning of cell is? Okay,
And Excel sheet.
yes. So in Excel sheet, there is something called, okay, if you open an Excel sheet, na, okay, even I can open here, right? Why I need to open this one, right? One simple small box indicates a cell. This is cell. I selected a cell here. Okay, this is another cell. This is another cell, another cell, another cell, another cell. Okay, now here I written hello. Okay, so now if I change this one, hello to hello 123, this cell value changed. Is that changed?
Yes.
Hmm. Okay. Now if you just see the list view, okay, the data, are you seeing a kind of Excel sheet format here?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when I change the value of this one, is that indicating something like a cell value?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's it. That is the reason maybe they kept the line, the name. I don't know even. Okay. But cell edit, here we should not say field edit. On change of field, on cell edit is different. Okay. That is in form level. This is in not in form level, list view level. Okay. This is the only simplest difference. Good. There are four types of client scripts. And these are the four types of client scripts. Till this point, everyone clear, ma? 100%. Yes.
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 Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Anyone have any questions here? Only on covered topics. Don't ask like sir G form, in G form what you set it. That and all don't ask. Okay, only in this part. Okay, the four types of client script. Any questions here, ma?
Oh, hi, sir.
Yes.
Sir, means how will we come to know that whether we have to use on change or on load? Means while practicing multiple scenarios, I get confused.
When we are practicing multiple scenarios, automatically you'll get rid of that confusion. No? Okay, let me put it in a different way. Okay, so yeah, good one. Okay, so question is how to know, sir, when some requirement comes, how I can know that I need to select on load. When how to know I need to select on change. Okay, I will write four examples here. Okay, so example number one. Don't tell the answer. Once I open it, that time we will tell the answer. Okay, first thing. Okay, when the state equal to on hold. Okay, make the field on hold region mandatory. First requirement. Second requirement. Okay, when the form is getting loaded. Okay, automatically. Okay, set the value of caller to logged in user and the caller associated values like first name, caller details like manager, first name, last name, something like this. Okay, then when okay, submitting the ticket, while submitting the ticket. Okay, just check if the caller is VIP. Okay, if yes, give a give me a second. Give an alert indicates the importance of ticket. Okay, so when when the user changes the value of active field on list view, okay, give a message. Okay, four different types of requirements are written here. Now, okay, let's open up. First one, when the state value changes to on hold, make the on hold region mandatory. What type of client script it is, ma?
On change.
On change.
On change.
Why can't I take on load?
Then we are changing the field value.
When I'm changing the field value of what field?
State field on to on hold.
So you understood my first one? I think who asked this question, you understood now?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, this I understood, but there are multiple scenarios where we can use on submit as well as on change.
No,
So
what is the
at that
scenario?
time,
Tell the scenario.
sir, I don't have right now immediately.
Hmm. Okay. If we understood the scenario a little closer, we will get to know more. Okay, but try to bring that scenario. Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir, I'll message you.
No. So now second one is again, what is that? What type of it is?
Unload.
Unload.
Hmm. And third one, what type of it is?
On submit.
Also.
Mid.
And fourth one, what type it is?
On cell
On
edit.
cell edit.
Also.
Sir, but you gave us the answer in the description.
Because I have to write like that only to understand, to make it understand. Because that's how we even says na. So let's say I want to get all the caller field details to load automatically. When? I need to tell that when also, no? If I don't tell when, then it's a problem. I have to tell, right? Okay, let's say,
Yes.
see here, I will say like this. Now read it and then tell me what type of it is. Can you say this type? You can't say this type.
No.
It not make sense, sir.
So even in live environment also, we'll get the clear indications. No? We will get the correct exact requirement. If requirement is not clear, it is difficult. That's how he's getting confused. That's why I asked him to get the requirement, exact requirement. Am I right, ma? So anything, let's say, if you say, okay, you remove this one when this is okay, but you remove this part and then read it. Okay, you remove this part and then when list view. Okay, you remove this part and then see. You will understand easily. Like you, that's where the gap will come. Correct? If you remove this part and then just see and then try to say, okay, just check if the caller is VIP. If yes, give an alert indicating the importance of the ticket. Remove this part and then tell me what type it is. It can be on load, it can be on change, it can be on submit, it can be on sell edit also. All four. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Simple, no?
Yes, sir.
So when the requirements now we need to understand clearly. Okay, then only we can easily consider the type of it. If we don't understand the requirement, then the same question confusion will come. Correct, Nama? Yes. Okay, by the way,
Yes, sir.
okay, we'll start jumping into the scripting. Okay. Any last question here on the types of client script? Any last question, please? No questions, right? So see here, we are going to write our first line of coding. Okay. Before that, I'm giving an alert that coding is dead easy. Okay, it's my responsibility to make it easy. Okay, first thing. Second thing is coding need lot of practice. Okay, you will understand the coding, but you will only learn when you only practice it. Okay, if you don't practice coding or scripting, you never learn. Okay, these two things keep it in mind. Okay, okay. And third thing is, right here, I will tell you maybe tomorrow. Okay, but today we will just pass it on. Okay, okay. So the third thing I will tell tomorrow. So let's write your first line of code in your life. Okay, if that is the case, right? What I will do is I opened the form and this is for practice to see the results. Page number one. Okay. Page number two is open any one of the client script. Just open one client script. This is your first client script. Go and say new and then write something like G form. Okay. And then come here and take on change and change of active field you take it. Okay. Why, sir? I will tell you. Okay. Because we are going to do plus things, minus things, positive things, negative things. If I do, I will tell you, if I give one message for active true, I will give reverse. Okay, maybe I will put like this. Okay, so see here. Okay. I want to show two different things. Na? So what I will do is, if I'll write it, I will tell you. Okay, you will understand it. Okay, I don't write it. Okay, now. So take active field or any checkbox field which have the value true or false, because that is easy for you to test. Okay, page number two, your form. Page number two, your client script. Page number three is, okay, I will tell you, right? So what I'm going to do is, okay, remove the script very carefully. See, when you launch your on load client script or on change client script, okay, it comes like this. Very carefully, see, on change, okay, on load or whatever it is. Never ever change anything to the core structure. This is core structure. Only start writing your script from here. Okay, don't touch this one, don't remove this one. Okay, don't remove this flower bracket. Don't do not do. Okay, only start writing your code in the middle. Okay, and even for on change also. Okay, let it come, the structure. Don't touch anything. You write your code only here. Do not touch this flower bracket and return, okay, this flower bracket and add one more flower. Don't do that. You write your script, okay? So first thing, right? On change of active field, I'm going to write a script, right? So third page is, right? In the script, if you see something starting with this kind of slashes, black backslashes, two backslashes, that indicates it is commented. It don't run. If you want to comment something, means which you want to not run, then you do like this. Okay. So I write like this. Okay. But I don't want to run this one. You comment it out. You don't run. Understanding it, ma? Yes? Okay.
Yes.
So when you are typing it, you type here and there. So when you type next line, you type like this. Okay, maybe you type like this. Okay. So when you type it now, do you have something kind of arrangement here? No, right? So if you click this one, format code, the proper alignment system will do for you. So this is for aligning it. Okay. This is for commenting. So I don't want hello. If you click this one, it comments. Okay. If you want to uncomment, you can click it. So this is for commenting. This is for alignment. Okay. So comment, align. Understood?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So let's write our first script. Okay. What I will do is, okay, very carefully see, right? If active equal to true, okay. So see here, I'm writing my scenario. Okay. If active equal to true, right? Give, okay, active is checked. Okay. If false, okay, active is unchecked. Simple. Can we do this?
Yes.
Okay, a simple message only. Okay, you know alert. Okay, we practice the alert only. Okay, good. Now, okay, first important thing for any developer is, okay, when you are writing the script, understand the requirement is 100% needed. First, you need to understand the requirement 100%. There is no doubt in it. Okay. Then second thing is the design, right? So let's say you are here. Okay, I asked you to do the same thing. Think like you are a robot. You are a programmer. You are a program, not a programmer. You are a program. You are a system, robot. If I ask you to do, how use your mind? If this is true, give a message. If this is untrue, give another message. To take a call of either do a message plus message or minus message, you need the value of this field. Am I right? You need the value of active field. Okay. So if the active field is checked, then give him one message. If it is unchecked, give another message. So you need the value, correct? Everyone, yes?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So I will write the steps, design steps. I will write it here. Okay. Get the get the value of active field. Okay. So now if the value is true, okay, give one message. Okay. If value is false, give another message. So this design we got it in our mind. When you understood the requirement, automatically you got this design.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, everyone, you got this one, ma?
Yes.
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 Now, after understanding the requirement, na, so next thing is design it. Design the requirement is the most important thing in coding. Okay, how I will get it, sir? This is the first day, right? Will I get it easily, sir? No, it will come with a lot of practice. Well, not lot of practice, at least a practice. Okay, the more you start writing it, na, automatically the designs you'll get it in your mind. Okay, then third thing. Okay, so see here, getting the value, okay, and then doing this thing, right? So now I am going to do it. Okay, so first, how I will get a value of a field, right? For only this one, please excuse, I will just write it. Tomorrow I will explain it. Okay, I don't have a choice now. Okay, so I will do what is, what is the field name here? Okay,
Active.
No. Okay. U underscore active. Field name is U underscore active. The label is active. Correct, Nama, everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
System always take the backend names, not front end names. Right? So U underscore active, take it. Okay, copy it properly. Right? Now you go here. Okay. Please keep it on mute. Right? First line, just by heart it. Okay. I will say EC. Okay, so I will put my name SK equal to G form get value. Okay, don't type it, let it come. Okay, I will tell you how I did it. Okay, get value of single quotes the field name and then end with semicolon. How did you do this, sir? Okay, something blinked up, something came up. Okay, you didn't show. So how I did it is okay, G underscore form dot. Okay, now I got so many, right? Get value, right? I can do a scroll. Scroll in the sense I'm pressing right now down arrow. I'm pressing down arrow here. Okay, get value. Once I reach to get value, I'm again pressing enter in the keyboard, not pressing from mouse. I'm not using mouse here. Okay, mouse is here. I kept mouse outside. Okay, so get value. I got get value. I selected the get value, entered. Okay, typed colon, then pasted at. Everyone noticed it, ma?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So okay, like this I selected. So what this one will do is it will get the value of a field. I will just tell like this only for now. Tomorrow I will explain it deeply. Okay. So first I want to get the value. I got the value. Okay. Now, okay, I want to understand what value it got it, correct? So what I will do is this is for my first day learning. Okay. So what I will do is whatever the value it get it, I will just say alert of SK. What is SK here? So in scripting, we use something called variables. Okay. So variables in the sense you don't directly do operations on the items. Okay. You keep it in a variable and then you play with that variable. It's like a placeholder. Okay. I took a variable with a name called SK. You can give any name. I given my name. You can give your name. Okay. Now SK variable is getting the value. So system is getting this value of this field and then keeping in SK. Now whatever the value will come into SK. I'm just printing that SK. Alert of SK. Understood, ma? Yes.
No.
Which part you didn't understand, ma?
SK.
Okay. So I will take A. Anything we can give anything. Okay. Variable name can be given like anything. Okay. I'll just give India. It's my choice. Okay. Now I'm getting the value of this field G form get value and then I'm keeping in India variable and I'm printing the same India variable in alert. Now whatever the value that this particular command will get it, that value will come to India and I am printing that value of India here. Understood, ma?
Yes.
Okay. So copy this one. Why you did this, sir? I want to understand what value the system is getting it. Okay. So what value it have it, right? Here. Okay. Now you go here. Refresh here. Now if you uncheck, the value is false. Okay. If you check, the value is true. Understood, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now every time why it is giving alert on change of active field, get value of this field, and the field when I uncheck it, the value is false. So alert of India is false. Alert of India is true. Understanding it now? Yes.
Yes.
Everyone understood, ma?
Yes.
Okay. Now I need this value to do my further steps now. So I got this value. Okay. So what I will do is next step. I don't want really the sixth line. Line number 6 I really don't want, but I just kept it to understand what value it is getting. So now we are going to write if structure. If, okay, India means the value equal to, okay, true, the value that you seen in the pop-up. Okay, then do something here. Else, okay, do something here. Okay, if it is yes, means okay. So here, okay, alert of what message you want to keep, ma? Active is checked. Okay, here alert of unchecked. Okay, sir, what is else here, sir? Okay, if and else are okay together. The condition, whatever the condition, if I am male, else is female. There is no third gender here, two genders. Okay, if it is true, else is false, not true. Okay, it indicates not true. Okay, let's say if, okay, maybe gender is male, in else female, third gender, all will come. Okay, if animal type equal to horse, else means apart from horse, remaining and all will come. Understand, ma? Only two things, yes or no. Okay, whatever the condition you put, if country equal to India, do something. Else means not India, remaining every country it will come. Okay, so here the alert, this India is having only two values, true plus not true. Automatically it is false. Correct, Nama? Understood, my everyone?
Sir, before this true and false condition, if we you show that it's showing the alert, right? True and
Yes,
false.
yes.
When it is unchecked,
This alert,
then it shows.
we don't want this
Yeah, but
line number 6, ma. I'm just showing you what value it is coming.
no, but it shows not true and false earlier. Means
Correct.
so before I think before the true and false condition, it shows true and false, right?
Correct.
So how it comes?
Okay, let's see that. Okay, sir, if this alert also there, then how it will show, sir. Okay, let's keep it. Okay. Now,
Oh,
I written it. Okay, and then I formatted it, then saved it. Now keep this image in your mind. The script image you keep it in mind. Okay, this script image you should have it in your mind. Then go here, right? Now whenever I click something, you should play that. You should have that image in your mind. Okay, that image should blink the line number. Okay. Now what is this? What is this box? Alert of India.
Alert box.
Alert of
alert,
India.
alert box.
Okay, then
Hmm.
as I unchecked here, what message it came?
Active is unchecked.
So if this is running means where I am? I'm in else condition.
Else. Else.
Everyone getting that script now? You are getting that script in your mind? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, good. So now I'm clicking plus here. Okay. So alert of India, line number 6. Okay. Now click it. Now active is checked. Where you are now? Which block of script you are?
If.
If condition.
If.
Understanding my everyone?
Yes.
Everyone understood this part?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this if structure, actually this I don't want really this one. Okay, this is to just indicate what value it is coming. We understood now. Okay, but actual requirement is this one. Okay, so I written this requirement. Now you see it. You don't want true every time, false every time to display. Okay, active is unchecked, active is checked, active is unchecked,
Yes.
active is
Now,
checked. Right. So this is what my
yes.
requirement. This is what my requirement, and this is the code I written. Okay, on change client script of active field. So how many people understood this one? How many people have any questions on this one? Okay, you may get a question like, sir, Why you given double equals here? Why you given this one here? Why you given double equal to, okay, double quotations here? That and all, we will learn it slowly. Okay. But for this requirement, what I opened, what I selected, what I written, how it functions. Everyone understood?
Yes.
Yes.
First time learners who are always says, sir, I am from non-IT, okay, non-technical. You all understood?
So, sir, we can apply this for the employee as well, right? When it is the field is empty and
Yes, ma'am.
means when it is
Instead of this,
income.
that auto population field, na, instead of get value of you active, you will get value of employee field, you underscore employee field. Right? We will come to that point, okay? Everyone understood this point? Please tell me, ma. We will jump into the next point, important point. Yes?
Yes.
Any no here?
Can we use one more this field in this on change? For example, we have used the active field as of now. If I want to work with the active plus one more field
No. If you have
there,
one more,
so I
then you
need to
need to
create.
create one more client script.
Okay,
One
okay,
on change field, one field only. On change of one field.
okay.
Okay. Good.
And other than that, like, can I make it in the if statement? Like, for example, I made it as a if it's true and if it's false, and I put the and statement and put another field variable over there
You can
that label.
you can put it.
So that,
Yes, ma'am, we can
yeah.
put it. Okay. Good. Sir, where we started, what we started, sir. This is actually the live environment requirement, sir. Why we do this kind of play, sir? We don't do now. Who will put this kind of alerts like if you check this one, give one message. If you uncheck this one, give this message. Please teach some real-time cases, right? So very carefully see. We are going to see the first important thing. Very, very, very important. Okay, first command. Okay. So instead of doing this, I'll really apply the real things. Okay, so G form. Okay, first method is what ma? What it is telling you? Add decoration. Correct?
Yes.
So check this one. Right? I pressed. Okay, I'm repeating it again. Okay, if you are a very first time learners, you will get this little issue. Okay, so G form dot down arrow up arrow and then enter. Okay, now I got this kind of structure. I don't know now what to do. I'm also learning with you. I'm very new to ServiceNow scripting. I'm here. It is telling me add decoration. It is telling me something like you need to write something field name and then you need to give something icon, title, and all. I 100% didn't understand. Okay, so I'll go back. Okay, then I will say again add decoration. At least I now can read something. Adds an icon to a field label. Okay, this method is coming from future release. Okay, good. So what I understood from this particular indication line is it will give some icon to the field, maybe a kind of decoration. Okay, logo it will give. That's what I understood. Then if I want to apply it, I don't know what it is telling me. I really didn't understand the syntax of it. Okay, so how I will learn, how can I easily do? This is where I am. Correct? You are all also same. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Very carefully see. Once I stuck here, what I will do is I will go and say control, click on this one. When you keep your cursor on G form, na, it will give you a hyperlink. Control, click. Everyone noticed it, ma? Control on G form. Press the control and go on press on G form. Control click. Everyone noticing it?
Yes.
Okay. So what it gives is it gives the documentation of G form. Okay, which is needed for us. This is the documentation of G form. Okay, sir. I am using Apple iPod, sir. The control click is not working. Okay, then in that case, open this link. Okay, sometimes if your browser is something, then the control click will not work. Okay, whatever it is, so just open the link directly. This is the third page. First page is your form page to test. Second page is your client script page where you are writing your script. And third page is this documentation. Okay, now I am here, these three pages. Now I don't need any SKFacts also. I can learn by my own. How can I learn by my own? Okay, so see here, it is telling you add decoration. and it is telling me adds an icon to the field. Good, I understood this one, but I didn't understand this part. Okay, then it given me something. Okay, what is field name? Field name. What is an icon? Okay, history. Even I didn't understand anything here. Title, I didn't understand. Then what is the use of documentation, sir? Go down. Little still try, try. Okay. Then I got something a syntax. Okay. I try to read the syntax. Okay, G form, add decoration, caller ID. I know caller ID is the caller field in incident table. If I go to incident table, okay, and then if I open incident form, right? So the caller field, the backend name of caller field is caller ID. Everyone should know this one, correct? At least I should know this one. If I am calling as myself as developer, I learned, I learned it, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the example that they are telling here is they are applying some decoration to this particular caller ID field. This is what they are doing it. I at least understood. Okay, this is the caller ID field. They used it here in this example. Good. Then they kept icon star. They kept something preferred number. I didn't understand this one. Only I understood is this is field name. So what I will do is blindly I will copy paste this one. Okay, I'm learning it. Okay, so I don't have choice. This is what I can do. My mind is limited to this one. Okay, go and say paste it. Okay, so only thing I know is caller ID field. So caller ID field is in incident table, but for my table, I want to apply a decoration. Okay, so like I will take this one, provision time. If active equal to true, I will do some decoration to this field. Okay, so take this field name. Go and keep it here. And just go, there is a symbol here. Give that symbol also here. So what I did, I written my first line of scripting in my life, and I don't know what I written. Just followed it. Okay, now you go here, save it. Okay, once you save it, now you can test it. You know how it will work. Okay, so go here, refresh it. You need to always refresh when you change something in the client script form. You need to come and refresh and then do. Okay, so active is unchecked. Very good. Active is checked. Okay, do you see some decoration came here? Star.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So the logo decoration is star. Okay, good. Remember it. Then put your cursor on top of star. You get some text, preferred number. Okay, two observations. Now you go here. Okay, to this field, add the decoration called star, and when you place your cursor on the top of star, show this message, the text. Now I understood what add decoration is doing. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. In my requirement, sir, I don't have star. Maybe I have a different, okay, decoration. Can I change the decoration? Go and check it. Okay, now you go. You will understand. Okay. Icon star. Somewhere it will be there. Icon cards. Icon book. Okay. Icon database. Icon mail. Icon light bulb. Icon home. Okay. Icon mobile. So let's take icon home. Go here. Change it here. Okay. So it's a provision time now. So just write something about it. Okay. So I don't know what I'm writing, but just writing it. Okay. Good. Now I'm changing it. Okay. Good. Come here. Right. False. I didn't keep anything. True. Home came, and when I keep my cursor preferred, okay, provision end time, something came. So now I understood how I use the add decoration here. Everyone understood?
Yes.
Yes. Everyone, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, sir, you are doing one decoration here. Okay, but we need to do one more decoration here now for else condition. If it is true, I want to show home button. If it is not true, I want to show maybe book button. Can we do that, sir? Book is there, no? Somewhere book you've seen it, correct? Book or mobile. Okay, let's say book. Okay, open book, right? Can we do this, sir? Open book icon. Okay, then you do what is, okay, you copy the same one. In else condition, you keep the same line, but change the logo to maybe open book. And if you want to change some message also, you can change it. Okay, so else, if, right? Now I kept one for if condition. Any issue, ma? Icon is
Sir, icon click.
correct. So I kept one for if, I kept one for else. I don't want any more these alerts. Okay, these alerts will always pop up now. Okay, so I will delete it. Right? Alerts are for structure, not for real time. Okay, we need to understand the structure. Okay. Now I kept these two. Now very carefully see. You will find one issue here. Okay, it will work, but you will find one error. What is that error, sir? You just check and tell me. Okay, you go refresh. Okay, uncheck open book. Okay, you keep cursor here. Else. Okay, this one. So home. Okay, it came. Now what is the error here?
Both icons. Both icons.
Both are coming.
Open book as well as
Okay.
yeah.
So this is not my requirement. I should not show both. I should show only one at a time. If it is true, okay, I need to show home. If it is not true, I need to show open book. Okay. But here both are showing. So both are showing is because this is how you instructed. This one ran first. The logo is there in the form. Then you ran this one also that same time. This logo also came. We didn't instructed that if you check true, then if this logo is there, delete it and then add. We didn't say that. Did we say that? Correct. So no, what is needed is, okay, the reverse action of decoration. If you are adding a decoration, how we remove a decoration? Okay, very carefully see. G form. Okay, add decoration you see, na? Go down. Okay, just look for remove. Do you see something called remove decoration here? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Remove decoration. Remove decoration of what? Whatever you added in the else condition. Am I right? Yes or no? So whatever I added
Yes.
in if condition, I will remove there. Okay. Now you see here. Right? You refresh now. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So I you go your mind focus on the script. Okay. G form get value of active. Okay. India. If India equal to true. Okay. Remove decoration of previous one. Add this decoration. Two lines run. Okay. Else remove decoration of previous one. Add open book. You are getting that script in your mind, ma? Yes, everyone, you are getting it? Yes, okay. So, see, this is what my requirement. I did like this. Now you tell me, is that simple, not simple? You are just playing in a ground. You are not playing. Instead of playing a mobile game, I am just playing here. I have a form here, I have a script here, I have a document here. Learning and playing. Understood my everyone till this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any question here?
Sir, there are limited icons, means whatever icon mentioned in the documentation, that only we can use,
Correct.
right?
Yes. We can't use any other icons. Okay. Good. So see here, if you just go to the documentation, no, add decoration, you got this one. Okay, you got this one. They given something else also. Add decoration, field name, icon name, string, and string color. You are seeing only the black color here. Sir, instead of black, can I see some dark color, sir? Maybe red color or violet color or yellow color, something. Can I make a color of this one, sir? Okay. Yes, you can able to make a color. Okay. So see here, color green. Okay. What I will do is, for one, I will give color red. Okay. So I will give for home color red. I will give. Okay. You please copy paste it. Okay. I am just typing it here. Okay. But when you are doing it for first time, don't type. Always copy paste because small issues will cause you a lot of time delay. Okay. So for next one, color red na color blue I will keep. If I give this one in add decoration, I have to give the same structure in remove decoration also. If not, the remove decoration will fail. Is that correct, ma? Did I given correct? Developers tell me. Whatever I added green here, okay, I kept it in remove. Okay, whatever I kept, it's blue here, I removing here. Correct? So now,
Yes.
now test it. Right? So now you go here, refresh it. Okay. Now check out the colors also. Okay, it's blue. It's coming like blue. It's looking like light blue. What is this? Green. Do you see green here? Blue, green. But I kept red, no? Let's kept red. Red looks little odd. Okay. So, am I playing here? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So I will cover one last simple thing. Okay. Then I will leave people. Okay. Because you can at least practice it. Right. So next one, G form. Okay. Dot. Add decoration we cover. Next one, add error message. Okay. I have add error message here. I'll just say printing the error message. Okay. This is one. And next one here, G form. Okay. Add info message. Printing the info message. You already seen these messages. Okay. But I'm just giving, I will show you how to use it. That's it. Okay. Go here. So now, if you have any messages, now delete it. Okay. Now you see printing the info message. So this is info message. Okay. Now this is error message. Error message where you seen? Mandatory. That time you seen error message? Didn't we see error message?
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
how they kept it? Maybe if the mandatory field is not selected, how they kept it? They kept add error message. The following field is mandatory something. Am I right, ma? So see here. If you try to submit it, okay, one on submit client script is running and it's giving error message. Is this not an error message? Yes.
Yes.
From dot add
Yes.
error
Yeah.
message. Correct. Now very carefully see. Okay. Again, what is the issue here? Okay, this one you can remove. Okay. What is the issue here?
Getting two messages.
So
Info message also is
both messages are showing. Okay, I want only one message to show, right? So when you have a message in the form, okay, how to clear the message, right? So go here, right? So you do what is, okay, before that, this is placement is very important, okay? G form, right? Clear message. You see ma? Clear messages. Remove the message, remove message that were previously added with add error message or add info message. So clear message. Nothing is needed to write, right? And you keep exactly before this, right? So I clear the message if any message is there in the form, and then I am loading this one. I am okay, loading my message. Okay, when it is checked, right? Now you save and see, right? So good. Now you see. Okay. Right now one message is there. Even this one also should go away. So when I click this one, the clear message will remove this one and then add my message. Okay, good. This is there. Now I am unchecking it. So clear message will clear this one and add my red message. So clear message is running, add message is running. Every time I am clicking it. Okay. Clear message, add message, remove decoration, add decoration. Both 4 lines are running now. Am I is that running?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So now, sir, last point of the day. Can I keep clear message? Okay. Here, sir. Can I keep clear message here? The placement. Can I keep here? Can I keep or not keep? Should I keep here the clear message?
No.
No.
No,
Why?
No.
Why no?
it will remove the print the error message.
Okay. So if you keep it here now, you are adding one error message. There, that immediately that message will be cleared. Correct? The message that you are adding as part of true condition, you only removing that message. Correct? Everyone got this point?
Yes.
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 Yes,
So
sir.
for few of the okay removal actions, the placement is very important. Okay, remove decoration you can keep it because you are removing on some other one. Okay, you don't see much difference, but this is having a lot of difference. So placement is very important for clear message because you are adding another message here. Okay, good. So what is your assignment for tomorrow is okay. Very carefully see. This is the must. Tomorrow is Sunday. Okay, next class is on Monday. I want everyone to first practice this if one. Okay, and then I want you people all to complete till this point. Add decoration, remove decoration, and add info message, add error message, clear message. The 3 methods we covered. You need to complete the practice of these 3 methods. Add decoration, okay, remove decoration, add info message, add error message, clear messages. The 5 methods, and the first one will cover you the get value. Get value also you can we didn't cover officially get value, but you can just use that same thing. Okay. So second thing is you need to practice it. There is no exception. There is no excuse also, right? Second thing is first time you are writing your code, okay, try to please copy paste it. Do not type. Why is because when you type it now, very carefully see. Okay, you type G form, okay, add decoration you type. If you type add decoration, D is small. It is not a recognized function. D should be in capital. Understanding it, ma? Everyone understood?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So please don't type it for first time. Okay, only copy paste it. And very important thing is at least run one script successfully. That is must. After that you type it. Okay, before you run your first script successfully, don't do any experiments because if you get issues for first time execution, you will get lot of sync. So you will feel like scripting is too much tough. You will get that kind of mindset. Okay, you need to feel like scripting is dead easy. That you will feel only when you see the results. So see the results at least once. Understanding everyone? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. And if you find any issues, immediately post it in the group. Take a screenshot, what error you are getting, what script you written. Both you take a screenshot and then immediately post it. Don't delay. Don't delay for Monday class. Okay. Immediately short it out and then proceed to write. You have to complete your this topic today. Okay. And if you are able to do this particular one, then next 15 classes are dead easy. I'm promising you. If you feel like today's session is easy and if you complete this one, then all 15 classes are dead easy. Okay. So if you don't practice this one, then all 15 classes will be very difficult. You'd never learn scripting. That also I'm promising you. Okay. So as I suggested, scripting will come with practice. You have to practice. Sir, I watched your video 5 times, sir. Now I understood, sir. No, you didn't learn. Until you write, you execute, then only you will understand, you will get it. Understood, my everyone?
Yes.
Okay. And the last one is, if you are writing your first script in your life, once it is successfully executed, okay, put it in the group. Sir, I executed my first script in my life. That is very important. I want to see everyone put it in the group today. Like, okay, not everyone. If you already know a little bit of scripting, that is not required for you. Okay. But if you are running your first script in your life and then you feel like happy of executing it, please share it in the group. Got it? I want to see many messages today. Good. Any questions before I end, please? Any questions? No questions. Okay.